Hi everyone. Today we would like to share a little hands-on experience of industrial panel K1220T. As you can guess, this is an industrial monitor and therefore was built to be a reliable, robust solution to withstand shock, vibration, dirt, dust, and other industrial conditions. The one I have with me is ALAD 12.1 inch with 86 architecture. It is powered by Intel Skylake or Kaby Lake processors. There are two CPU versions to fulfill different performance requirements. Could be Celeron or Core. Core goes with i3, i5, or i7 versions. Overall, this is a pretty powerful and optimized model with all the standard features like IP65 protection, thin design, touchscreen, fairness hardware design, and flat bezel. And just by looking at it and feeling in my hand, it is truly made for industrial environment use. Panel comes with a durable die casting aluminum housing and actually quite elegant streamlined design. Despite robustness, it is very light and I would say has a good grip to make sure it won't slide in hands. 1220T features a foot flat bezel and a P65 front panel. From the rear cover you can see radiator-like design to ensure better cooling as modern panels are mostly fanless. Sealing is very good and quite effective in preventing common water vapor or dust. It's ready to face many issues of harsh conditions. What I like about this particular model is easy access to all the ports and SATA 3 storage bay. At the same time, it's very protected. You can see a pulled out protection panel, which I would say not easy to break. It has 5 USB ports, 1 in front and 4 here on the back, 2 COM ports with extra options, 2 LANs, HDMI, CMOS, and 936-volt power inputs. As all other ALAD series products, this 12-inch model has 5 wire-resistive single-touch or projected capacitive multi-touch screens. A resistive touch chip is directly placed on the motherboard, which makes it more stable. Projected capacitive touch chip is of industrial grade, giving the product an anti-interference feature that is very useful in high electromagnetic environments. It is glove friendly and the thickness of the outer glass cover is approximately 10 mm. For the brightness, K1220T can provide 500 nits, and for high ambient light conditions, JHC can also provide you with ultra high brightness backlight. This model is quite easy to mount on any stands or other hardware like ATMs or factory machines. It supports both panel and 100 by 100 VESA mounting options. Panel mounting buckles are concealed, but quick to bring out and very robust. I find it actually quite easy to clean, and as I mentioned before, sealing is great. I/O ports can be open or hidden by a metal cover. In ALAD family, this series is available in screen sizes from 10.1 to 21.5 inches. Most of characteristics are similar. At the same time, ask your sales for additional information as there are some custom features and differences between them. This will be all for now. To find out more information about JHC panel computers, displays or other products, please visit our website or contact marketing team for more information. Thank you. Bye bye.